gets hot. I'm gonna get that lock apart. I want to see what it looks like inside. This lock's giving me problems. Trying to pick it, so I want to see what it looks like inside. I think I only paid $3.50 for it. It's a Dollar Street. It's one of these. I thought I'd be able to get it picked, but I just can't get it. So we're going to see what it looks like inside. Never saw the inside of a lock before. Okay, so this is that cheap Chinese lock that I got from the dollar store, which was this one. It was $3.50, so I thought that's a good one to practice on. And I fought and fought with this thing for 2 days, and I couldn't get it. I couldn't pick it. I don't know what this means. It says pick resistant pin tumbler cylinder. The other one I got that I did pick says pin tumbler security. Anyway, I got this one. I picked this one. Not this one. This one. I was able to open this one. This one I couldn't get open. This one. So I ground the plate off the bottom and took this core, I guess you call it, out. And the first thing I learned is the pins went somewhere. They fell out. I don't know where they went. I don't know where they'd go if I could find them to put them back anyway. So, but what I did learn is when I was trying to pick this lock, I was putting the pick in probably that far. And then I was picking away, you know, and I wasn't picking at anything, really. I didn't realize that. There's 5 holes in here. So I guess that's 5 pins. Anyway, so you back out, and now that I have it out of here, I can really feel those holes. So I learned that, and I don't have to go in all the way like that. The other thing I learned was, and I think William showed this in one of his videos. Well, you can't see it here. Down in here, if you get a pick that goes down in here, you can move those lugs sort of out of the way. And I think, in a way, that's what I was doing here different times, because if I put the pick in here with a little tension, push that way, then take it out, put it in this way, it'll come right open. So what I'm doing there, I think, is moving those lugs. I'm spreading those lugs apart. I'm not actually picking, where'd I put that? I'm not actually picking the core. So, you know, anyway, $3.50, and I learned a few things. I think what I'll do is next time I'm there, I'll buy another one of these exact same ones, and I'll try and pick it, knowing now that I don't have to go in so far. And also how easy it is now to fill those holes. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can feel them really easy when now that I know how that's made. So anyway, guess that's how you learn. Tear stuff apart, break it, and that's the way it goes. So take care, guys. Dale out. Stay frosty.